Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a design system roadmap with Atlassian Jira, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by defining the purpose of your design system and its key components. Gather your team to identify the goals and objectives of the design system. Open Atlassian Jira and create a new project specifically for your design system. Choose the appropriate project type that best matches your workflow, such as Scrum or Kanban. Set up your project board by adding relevant columns that represent stages in your design process. Define the user stories that reflect tasks related to the design system. Create epics to group related user stories into broader themes. Add issues for each user story, detailing requirements and acceptance criteria. Utilize labels and components in Jira to categorize your tasks effectively. Assign team members to the different tasks to ensure accountability. Prioritize the issues based on importance and urgency. Establish a timeline for each aspect of your design system. Use Jira's sprint planning tools to plan and execute iterations. Conduct regular stand-up meetings to track progress and address challenges. Encourage team members to update their tasks consistently within Jira. Review your project regularly to adapt and refine your design system roadmap. Use Jira reports to analyze team performance and project advancement. Update stakeholders with progress reports and gather feedback. Continuously incorporate feedback to improve the design system. Ensure to document decisions and changes made along the way for future reference. Celebrate milestones to keep team morale high as you progress. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.